Welcome the our channel. Today we how to enable RingCentral auto attendants to capture leads into CRM step by step clearly. To enable RingCentral auto attendant for capturing leads into your CRM, start by logging into your RingCentral account. Navigate to the admin portal from the main dashboard. In the left-hand menu, select Phone System. Click on Auto Attendant. Choose Add Auto Attendant or edit an existing. In the auto attendant settings, input a name for easy identification. Set the greetings for your auto attendant to guide callers effectively. Select the type of menu you want to set up, such as a simple or hierarchical menu. Add options for callers, like pressing a key to reach sales or support. Make sure to include an option for callers to leave a message. Configure how calls will be routed based on the selections made by the callers. Integrate your CRM system by selecting the appropriate option. Log into your CRM account when prompted and authorize the necessary permissions. Map the call data fields from RingCentral to your CRM, ensuring all relevant information is captured. Save your changes in the auto attendant settings. Test your auto attendant setup by calling the designated phone number. Follow through the auto attendant options to ensure everything is functioning as intended. Check your CRM to confirm that leads are being captured correctly. Adjust any settings if necessary to optimize lead capture. Your RingCentral auto attendant is now set up to effectively capture leads into your CRM. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.